The plan is to keep this team intact for 4 years. Nung in-announce ni Tim Cohn yun, marami na namang nag-shake ng heads at nag-doubt kasi nga, yung iba sa mga players natin, aging na. Si Justin Brownlee is our naturalized player. He is our best player. Siya yung bumubuhat sa team. 36 na siya ngayon. In 4 years, ano siya, 40? Is he still gonna be the same Justin Brownlee in 4 years at 40 years old? Another main player is Junmar Fajardo, who is, I think 33 na siya ngayon. In 4 years, parang 38 na siya, 37, mga ganun. So, is he still gonna be the same Junmar Fajardo na? And actually, sinimulan na ng SBP and ni Coach Tim Cohn na gawin yan by naturalizing si Boatwright na isang 27, 26-year-old player, big man, 6'10", can do it all, everything. And in 4 years, di ba, parang he's at the peak of his career. So, yun yung isang sign. May backup tayo para kay Justin Brownlee. And marami naman kasing positives eh. Kung titignan mo, it's okay. Dahil marami tayong young guys na magde-develop in the next 4 years. Andyan si Kevin Kembao, who's really young. Obviously, Kai Soto is the future of Philippine basketball. Same with AJ Edu, Carl Tamayo. Dwight Ramos is probably gonna be the best local player ng Gilas. And yung mga veterans natin na aging, ang mangyayari niyan, magsiswitch lang naman yung minutes nila eh. So yung mga young guys natin, yung tataas yung minuto at yung usage at yung role, at yung mga veterans, as they age, sila yung bababa yung minutes at bababa yung usage, but they can still be a part of the team. Parang magbabaliktad lang naman eh. So I think this Gilas team is in good hands.